This is Swetha. She wants to learn about p-value, but she doesn't have that much knowledge about it. Come, let's help Swetha to learn the topic. One day, Swetha goes to a shoe shop and she finds that there are two sections, the casual shoes and the formal shoes. And she gets to know that 20 out of 100 people choose the formal shoes. So the p-value will be 0.2, whereas 80 out of 100 people choose the casual shoes. In that case, the p-value will be 0.8. I think now Swetha is clear about how the p-value is taken, but she is still confused about what exactly is p-value and where it is used. In statistical terms, p-value is the probability for the null hypothesis to be true. To understand this, we have to understand the null hypothesis. The null hypothesis is the hypothesis that treats everything same, everything equal. Let's take an example from Swetha's classmate. There are two groups, Group A and Group B. They both are fed with the different protein powders, protein powder A and protein powder B. So here the null hypothesis will be there is no difference in the effect of their weight increased for the group A and B. The weights will be the same for the protein powder A and protein powder B. I think now Swetha is clear about the null hypothesis. There are many statistical tests, t-test, f-test, ANOVA test and lot more. The p-value can be any value from 0 to 1. If the p-value is 0.1, this means that if I repeat an experiment 100 times, 10 out of 100 times the null hypothesis will be true. Okay, for example, let's take a t-test in our previous example. The t-test is used for the comparison of mean. This graph represents the mean and the standard deviation of the weight of the students using the different protein powders, protein powder A and B. Let's say in the t-test result, if the p-value is 0.04, this means if I repeat this experiment 100 times, only 4 out of 100 times the null hypothesis will be true. If the p-value is greater than the level of significance, the null hypothesis is accepted. Whereas if the p-value is less than the level of significance, which means the null hypothesis is to be rejected. The level of significance, which means significance difference. Oh, Swetha is now clear about what exactly p-value is, and she even subscribed to this channel. How about you? This channel explains the mathematics in an easier way. Subscribe to it or at least hit the like button so that it gets recommended to others. Thank you.